Howdy, y'all. This is Heath, and this is Frontier Survival. We are here in the survival shed. Today, we are going to open this up. So stick around. All right. Hey, thanks for staying with us. And like I said, today we got this package in the mail. This is from Bushcraft Rebel Knives, who has their own YouTube channel showing off the knife making skills that he has. And he said, hey, I want to make you a knife. I want you to test it out and do a review on it. And here it is. It came in the mail today. Mr. Aaron Logan, Bushcraft Rebel Knives, made this for me. So let's tear it into it and see what we got going on. But let me grab some type of knife here and open this up. We'll go ahead and so inside the big package are two smaller packages. So we will go ahead and tear into this one. And oh wow, I didn't expect this. The knife come with a sheath. Now, is that awesome? That's so great. That's awesome. Wow. I didn't expect a sheath with it, but now I even got a way to carry it. But look at this bad boy. Look at that. Look at that handle. Isn't that pretty? The blade, the thickness of the blade and all. Now we are going to make a separate video of testing this out, you know, the sharpness and but I'll tell you, it is sharp. And what we might be able to do with this knife, but I really love it. I really do. The detail's good. It's full tang and just an all-around great knife. Might be able to do all kinds of projects with this thing. So we'll see what we can do with it. We will do a video soon. But I really do appreciate that. Bushcraft Rebel Knives. I will have a link to his channel down in the description. And everybody go check out Bushcraft Rebel Knives. And he will, you know, he puts out good content. Give him a subscribe if you will. But look at that thing. Man, that's awesome. I love that. Thank you. Great work. But just a little quick video there. You know, wanted to show that off. And we will do a separate video soon. Going out in the woods with that on my side, testing that big boy out. That is the Frontier Survival Knife made by Bushcraft Rebel Knives. Thank you very much. Going to do a little quick update on the channel. At the moment, we are at 485 subscribers, which is great. And, you know, I mentioned on a couple live streams a while back that, you know, when I hit 500, I plan on doing a giveaway, and I will be doing a giveaway. And there'll be more details for that in the future. Once I get closer to 500 and, you know, on what we'll be giving away and the criteria you have to meet to be entered into the giveaway. So all that will be discussed here in the near future. Just remember, every Tuesday we're trying to do a live stream at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Frontier Tuesdays is what we call it. And we done it last week, and we want to do our best to do it this week. You'll probably see it floating around already, a scheduled live stream for Tuesday night on your YouTube feed. Hit that reminder. If you're not subscribed and you're just now watching this video, hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. And I guess that's all we're going to be talking about now. Very much appreciative to Aaron Logan of Bushcraft Rebel Knives once again for this beautiful Frontier Survival Knife. That's what we're calling it right there. That's the Frontier Survival Knife right there. Thank you very much, Bushcraft Rebel Knives. This is Heath. This is Frontier Survival. And remember, you got to have drive to survive.